Hello, Stevenson stars. This is Professor Owlmyer back, and I wanted to give you a great big thank you for all the hard work you've done to end our year through distance learning. And I want to leave you with a few fun and interesting science investigations that you can do from home. All right, let's get started. Investigation number 1 is very easy. It starts with a little bit of milk in a bowl, and then add some black pepper. And sprinkle the black pepper all over the top of the bowl. This little investigation is going to show you why it's so important to wash your hands. Watch what happens when I stick my finger in the bowl. Look, the black pepper sticks to my finger. This is just like the germs that stick to your hands. Well, I want to show you what soap will do to the germs on your hands. Let me clean my finger off first. All right, I'm going to take some just ordinary soap, and I'm going to put a little dot of soap on the end of my finger. That's all you need, just a small dab. Now watch what happens to the germs or the black pepper when I put my finger in the bowl. All the germs race away from your hand. So please follow directions and wash your hands well. All right, RLS stars, let's have a little more fun with this one. I have a clean bowl of milk and I got some food coloring. I'm going to take my food coloring and I'm going to put some dots of different colors in my bowl of milk. And I'm going to go ahead and do all 4 colors. Well, if I think about what happened when I put the dish soap into the milk with the black pepper, and that black pepper ran away from the dish soap. I want you to think about what you might see happening now. Watch. And that's the way to make an exploding rainbow of color. Pretty cool, huh? Look at how all those colors are turning and mixing as they're trying to get away from the soap. All right, RLS investigators, this one's a little bit more complicated, but not much. You need white vinegar, baking soda, a balloon, a funnel, a spoon, and an empty water bottle. What you're going to do is you're going to attach the water balloon to the end of your funnel. Then take your baking soda and get 1 or 2 big scoops of baking soda to pour into your funnel and shake it till it all goes down into your balloon. All right, put the baking soda away. Then take the balloon off the end of your funnel. Put the funnel in your water bottle. Very carefully open the vinegar, and we're going to pour about maybe a third of the bottle full of the vinegar. Then I'm going to take the funnel out and set it down. And I'm going to very carefully put the balloon over the end of the bottle. Now, I want you to guess what might happen. I'm going to show you how to blow up this balloon without using any air from me. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to slowly hold on to my balloon. As it blows up. This one, Mom might want you to do outside. Have fun and be careful. When you're outside with it, you can always pop the end off and watch what the balloon does. All right, RLS investigation team, here's another one. Ask your mom and dad, or maybe even grandma and grandpa, if they remember having something called a lava lamp. I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. You need a tall, clear glass, some water, some vegetable oil, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. I'm going to take my oil and I'm going to pour some oil into my glass. Now, I want to put some water into my glass also. So I want you to watch what happens when I add the water. I want twice as much oil as water. So I'm going to just watch. And if you look carefully, you can notice that the water is going to the bottom of the container and the oil's coming to the top. Since Professor Owlmyer's favorite colors are orange and purple, I'm going to put some red and yellow food coloring in here to see if we can make an orange lava lamp. So now I'm going to add in my food coloring. And I want to put quite a bit of food coloring in. So I'm going to drop quite a few drops of red in. And now I'm going to put some yellow in. And then I'm going to take one Alka-Seltzer tablet, and you're going to need to ask Mom or Dad to help you with this part. So get your Alka-Seltzer tablet, and it looks like this. And I'm going to drop it in to my cup. I now have my very own personal lava lamp. And look at that. I made it orange, my favorite color next to purple. And this will keep going on and on and on for quite a while. So you can set it down and watch it until it stops bubbling. Pretty cool. Right, RLS investigation team? I have one more for you, and this is something you can actually play with for a little while. All right, star investigators, this investigation involves 2 ingredients, cornstarch and water. You need a bowl or a shallow pan and a spoon to mix. And this one you don't have to measure. You want to take your cornstarch and put it into the bowl, as much or as little as you like. Moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, adults, you may want to do this one outside. It can get messy. Then you want to pour water in and stir it around until it gets to a consistency that you like. You might remember a Dr. Seuss book called Bartholomew Huggins or Higgins and the Oobleck. Well, this is Oobleck. Now, what's cool about Oobleck is that it has a very hard consistency. But then it also pours. So if you look, you can see that it goes from hard to watery. I'm going to add a little more cornstarch. And as you're stirring it, investigators, you'll see how hard it is to stir. But then, when you put it in your hand, it loosens up. Oh, now I need a little more water. And we're just about ready. So it appears to be solid, but then when I put it in my hand, it turns back to a liquid. Solid. And then back to a liquid. See if I can get some out. And this is Oobleck. If you're having fun with this one, you might want to check out the Dr. Seuss book and find out what happened to Bartholomew Higgins and the Oobleck. I hope you had fun doing these investigations with me, and I want you to have a safe summer, and we'll see you back next year. Bye.